Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another DIY, and it's just going to be some framed leaves. So the first thing you're going to need is some frames. These are 11 by 4 frames from the Dollar Tree. These leaves, I got these bigger leaves from Walmart for like 89 cents, and then these smaller leaves also from Dollar Tree. It was like a bunch for $1. And we're just going to use those and spray paint them. We're going to use this white construction paper. It was a big one I got from Michael's, and this spray paint I got from Walmart, but they sell it at Walmart and Lowe's. I will link it down below, but this one is good because it's paint plus primer. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put these leaves on the frames before we do anything else to it. I'm just making sure that they're laying properly, so that when I spray paint them, all of the green will be silver. So I'm putting them on the frame just to see how I want them to go before I go ahead and actually spray paint them, because I just want to get an idea of what I'll be looking at when I'm done. Okay, so now that I got them all pretty much how I want them to be when they're laid out on the frames, I'm just going to remove them from there and remove the glass from the actual frame part and start spray painting. I do make sure that I space everything out so that it can all get painted evenly and easily. So I just go ahead and maneuver them around, and then I begin to spray paint and making sure that I'm doing small sprays and covering each section and making sure I'm getting all the sides so that I don't have any brown peeking out anywhere. This spray paint is really good, and I know it's because it's the primer plus the paint, because I don't have to do a second coat and I don't have to prime it first because of the way that this paint is made. So it's really good, and I definitely recommend it for this project because it was so easy to do this and it dries so fast. It was dried in less than 20 minutes. Okay, so this is what everything looked like once it was dried and all sprayed. So now that everything is ready to be put together, we're going to move inside. And now this project is basically done. The hard part is already done. I'm just gonna lay the leaves on the paper and put them back inside the frame. I do go in and cut a little piece of the stem off because it was kind of thick for my frame. So I just go in and cut the little end piece down some, so that way it'll fit flatter inside the frame. But this is really it. From here, I mean, I'm done. I do like to make sure that the stem is all the way to the corner, so I do go in later and make sure that those are all towards the edge of the frame. It just looks better to me. And that is really it, you guys. After this, I do go in with my leveler and my tape measure to make sure that I'm spacing the pictures out on the wall the way that I would like for them to be, and make sure they're all hanging up evenly. But I do show you guys a finished product of how I hung them, because I did it for my dining room, because everything in there is silver and gray and white and black. But I do hang them up right here, and they just looked really beautiful. When people come in, they just love it, and it just came out so nice, and it was so easy and so cheap to make. It was done within an hour, and that was only because of the drying time. But it is so nice, and I love it so much. I actually did another one for my bathroom without painting the frame, but I did paint some of the leaves because of the bathroom's colors, so it came out really pretty. But that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave me a comment down below and like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.